Hey there guys, hope you guys are well. So I'm just going to show you the account that I previously flipped from 1,000 to 2,000. I'm going to show you the progress on it. I've actually flipped it from 2,000 now to 4,000. And then I'm going to explain to you how I did it, the trading plan that I followed, a bit of the strategy. And I'm going to also go over the big differences between how a struggling trader thinks versus a pro trader. The big differences in their thinking and their mindset, which is going to take your trading to the next level. So pay attention guys, watch the video until the end. It's going to be a quick one and it's going to take your trading to the next level. Catch you on the inside guys. Okay, so I'm going to take you into my MetaTrader 4 quickly. So as you can see here guys, it's the same account, the same live account. So as you can see here, I've flipped it now from 2,000 to 4,000. It's a little bit lower than 4,000 because I did a couple of withdrawals. I actually took this account to about 4.5 and I've made a couple of withdrawals. The reason I do this is because I believe in regularly doing withdrawals, especially what I do is I do a weekly withdrawal because I believe firmly in paying yourself, and it also resets me. So I believe that, a lot of what you'll find is that struggling traders never do withdrawals, and you've probably never made one withdrawal in your whole life. I bet most of you struggling traders, so professional traders, make regular withdrawals because it allows them to reset. It's the same thing when you blow your account. You know that when you reload into a new account, what happens is your mindset resets, and you end up growing that account nicely because you've reset. So what a withdrawal does, it actually resets your mind, and it allows you to start sort of from scratch again. So what I do is whatever profits I've made for the week, I take out at least 50% of those profits, and I keep them. I'd rather grow my bank account than growing my trading account, all right? Because in a trading account, anything can happen at any point. So I believe firmly that professional traders need to do regular withdrawals because it allows their mindset to actually reset and allows them to look at the market from a fresh set of eyes. So I'm going to take you over the trading plan that I followed and all that. This isn't my main account. This is just an account that I'm showing you. I'm actually trying to take this account from 1,000 to $1 million. Just going to show you the method involved and how professional traders actually do this, okay, and how you can do it as well, guys. So I'll catch you over at the trading plan, and I'm also going to discuss the big differences between a struggling trader and a professional trader, the big mindset difference. Okay guys, so the big difference between a struggling trader versus a pro trader is that, let's look at number one quickly. We can see here that the struggling trader thinks that strategy is their problem, whereas the pro trader knows that strategy is only a small piece of the puzzle. Okay, so the struggling trader will strategy hop and can always change their system and think there's a golden system out there or something, that there's some secret information that they're missing. But the professional trader, after years and years of losing money in the markets, they know, once they become profitable, they start to realize that the strategy is only a small piece of the puzzle and plays little part in you actually becoming a very successful trader. The second thing, that the big difference between a struggling trader and a pro trader, the second thing is that the struggling trader abuses size and abuses leverage, whereas the professional trader uses small size and low leverage all the time. They realize that this is one of the big keys in actually being consistently profitable, and it actually allows you to grow your account a lot faster and a lot more safer. Okay, the third thing that the struggling trader does is they don't know their numbers, whereas the pro trader understands their numbers. So this goes back to a trading plan, which I'm going to take you over next, and also a compounding interest plan, which I'm going to show you next. Okay, then the fourth thing is the struggling trader has no patience with their account growth. Okay, they just want to double their account in a week or 2 weeks. They have no patience, whereas the pro trader is very patient with their account growth, and knows that the professional trader knows that it's small incremental gains over time that leads to massive account growths. And the fifth thing is that the struggling trader has no self-control versus the pro trader who has strong self-control. So the struggling trader has literally no self-control. What I mean by that is that they overtrade and they stay in the markets all the time. They think that professional traders are in the markets all the time with some secret information, and that professional traders can just make as much money as they want. Okay, this is not the case. Professional traders take what they can get out of the market, and because they know the market is volatile and the market can do whatever it wants. So when they're on the right side of the market and the market hands them a profit, they walk away on the day. So winners know when to walk away. So now I'm going to take you over to the trading plan, and I'm going to actually show you what just 1% per day can actually do on your account. Okay guys, so I showed you that in a couple of videos ago that I took $1,000 to $2,000. Now my next goal was to take $2,000 to $4,000. So as I explained in the first one, where when I took $1,000 to $2,000, I applied laser focus to this. I didn't worry about this or the end goal. So you must forget about your end goals, and you must have incremental goals. So all your goals need to be incremental, alright? So now I was focused on how I could do this, alright, take 2,000 to 4,000. So I followed a trading plan, which basically I said to myself, I'm going to need 3 months for each double. So this 2,000 to 4,000, I applied 3 months. Okay, it actually only took me 2 months. Okay, that's because I found very good setups and I managed to do it a little bit quicker. Sometimes you'll do it quicker, sometimes you'll do it a bit longer. But the key thing is, alright, I did it because I broke it down. So if we look here, breaking it down here on the right, how I did it was I needed, see, this is where the trading plan comes in, right? So if we need 2,000 in 3 months, it equals $665 per month, right? Which is broken down into $166 per week, which equals $33 per day. Okay, so you can see by breaking it down, it makes it a lot easier on your psychology, and it makes it much more realistic for you to actually get from the 2,000 to the 4,000. Right now, all I need to do now is, obviously I've got to move on to this one now. Okay, now all of this will basically double. So now I'll need basically $66 per day, which is highly achievable now because I've got the equity as backup. You know, I've got the actual capital now, which will easily allow me to do $66 or so per day. Alright, but the key thing is here, so looking on the left, if we need to get 1,000 to a million, you know, all it is basically we need 10 doubles. So I've completed 2 doubles. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, basically I've got 8 left now, right? So I've got to take 4,000 to 8,000. So basically I've got 8 doubles left. So you can actually see how close you are to getting to $1 million, but you've got to have a trading plan and you've got to break it down so it makes it way more realistic on you. I'm going to show you guys quickly another thing is what if you actually do 1% a day, how much money you could make in these markets just by doing 1% a day. Okay guys, so here we are on a compound interest calculator. So let's just say we start with $1,000. Alright, and let's do 1%. Okay, a lot of you are aiming for 5% a day, 10% a day, and you don't have a realistic target to make each day, alright? It doesn't have to be per day, but let's just say on an average we do 1% per day, alright? Now, we start with $1,000. If we do this over 1 year, okay, then the compound interval will be daily 365. So if we click on calculate, we can see if we do just 1% a day, starting with $1,000, we'll be on $37,000 by the end of 12 months. Okay, that's absolutely insane, guys. Another thing I wanted to show you was after 3 months, if you do 1% a day, basically what's actually happening is you're doubling your account almost every 2 months. Alright. So we can see over here, if we start with $1,000 and we do 1% daily, after 2 months, if you look at the breakdown here, the first month will make $353, the second month $478, and by just over 2 months we would have doubled the account. So by you doing just 1% a day, you're doubling your account just over every 2 months, like 2 months and 1 week or so. Now, if we just look at this over 2 years, so if we do 1% and we do this over 2 years, 1% daily over 2 years, check how crazy this is, guys. We've made over, you can see 1,400,000 and 1,427,000. Okay, after 2 years, if you just do 1% a day, guys. So what you need to do is have a trading plan, have a compound interest plan. Understand your numbers. Professional traders understand their numbers. They're not in the markets all the time trading. They go in the market, make their target, and then they get out each day. So you got to have self-control. Winners know when to walk away, guys. So I hope these are the missing links in your trading. It's not all about strategy. It's also about yourself, your self-control, and having a trading plan that you follow that'll set you up for success, so that you don't have to risk too much and you can use low risk and low leverage and reach your trading goals. It's that simple, guys. You just need a bit more patience with your trading and with growing your account. That's the secret in trading. It's got nothing. There's nothing more, nothing less. It's not all about the strategy. The strategy only plays a small part, guys. All you need to do is, like me, I'm just good at reading the market. So every day I come into the market, I look at where the market's going, whether it's continuing or whether it's reversing. I catch some pips, 10, 15 pips, 20 pips, and I get out. I make my 1% or so, and then I'm done. Even less, guys. You can even do it with 0.8%. But now you're looking at every 3 months you'll double your account. Hope this video helped, guys. Catch you in the next one.